Predator 1800 watt max portable generator unboxing, oil adding, and startup. Also bypassing carbon monoxide sensor. We're going to be bypassing that. We're going to add some fuel and some oil. We're also going to remove the shipping brackets. Alright, looking underneath, we're going to be removing the yellow brackets here. These bolts here are coming out, and these bolts are coming out. These are going to be 1/2 inch. These are 10 millimeter. Don't ask me why. Let's get them out of there. Generator shipping brackets are now free. I hold on to these bolts because they'll work in pretty much any Predator engine. Save them for later. Alright, here's the spark plug location. Generator came with this crappy little thing. Pretty sure I don't know where my spark plug socket is, so we're gonna use it. Late for fireworks, isn't it? Don't over torque your spark plugs, especially in a Chinese engine. You will break that shit. I don't know how long they run this thing for when they test it, but they use some shit gas. Alright, I got it gapped. 21 thousandths. Let me shut the shit back in. pretend that get gas up, start it up. Camera arm. Get a ring, then we're gonna pretend that the O2 sensors are going off, and we'll run, that's what we're pretending, but you'll get a ring, and then we'll show you guys what this sensor, which apparently is a pre-colored probe. And we're trying to keep that on. So it's 45 minutes, so it's gas. But, yeah, experience will vary. Alright, now we're gonna put some gas in it. Start it up for a minute. Go into the retardant. Fire it up just for a second because I'm not supposed to have a generator on here, but I don't really care. Anyways, turn your on switch on. Put your trouble to start. Make sure your petcock is on. Wait a second for the gas to go in there. Since this is a brand new generator, I'm going to crank it a little bit. And then we're going to pull it. First try, fresh out of the box. I'm going to try this laser. And we do. Shut the petcock gas off. We let it run until it dies. Started on the first pull, that was wonderful. What do you do with this? Alright, we're going to pretend that that light right there is blinking, flashing red, which will make this generator not run. And if it does that, it's pretty frustrating, especially if you're really needing it to run. I'm going to show you how to bypass it. Stay tuned. There's the sensor itself. We're going to have to unbolt this whole front plate to get to it with ease. Remove the four 8mm head bolts. Pull this plate away in a way that you can see. This is the harness for the sensor. All you actually have to do is unplug this white and black wire here. Alright, what I've done in the past, when the sensor itself actually went out, cut this end off here, left some wire on it, and I simply stripped the ends of these wires and I twisted them together, taped them, and shoved it back in there. This time, I've made this. It simply loops around, and all you gotta do is plug it in there. And that is how you bypass your sensor. I'm not gonna start it back up because it's just unnecessary. We all know it works. Anyway, that's how you bypass the carbon monoxide sensor on your Predator generator. Pretty sure it's the same for all the models. Either way, it'll be the wires coming off your sensor there. Usually a black and white wire. The rest of the wires can stay plugged in. Just because I don't want to leave it incomplete. Here it is, plugged in, bypass sensor. I'll start that. Alright, there it is. Started up. Just for the hell of it, we're going to start it up and then we're going to go and unhook the sensor, or the bypass rather, just to show that it will die. I'm going to try and start it without it. Starts for a second, shuts right off. Plug it back in. Start it up. And there you go. This is what I use to make the little bypass there. Male and female ends, multiple sizes, pretty much universal. They fit many existing wiring harnesses, and it's only about $12 on eBay. Get yourself one.